over, a beautiful explosion. Might get burned if I get close, but I'm down to hold you. You send me to outer space, and I'm counting constellations. Our planets collide, you make midnight look like sunrise. You do. Get out of my head, please. Get out of my head, please. Say you love me forever.
Sandstone Falls is next.
Energy.
It'll have to be a real sunny day, at least over here.
Always, I'll choose you, even when it hurts. 'Cause I'll choose you, every chance that I take. You'll never be second place.
Sandstone Falls.
Step this one first. Step this one first. Paper here.
Only 45.7 miles. There's only 1.1 miles, and 0.6 of it was EV, 0.1 regen. So it looks like going downhill.
Put your hands in mine, don't look back.
So we're the only ones here, innit?
Yeah. Should be. Go by car.
Have you seen Sandstone on YouTube? Oh yeah. There's a lot of substance out there. Gonna be tough. Looks like the other people don't check this anymore. Just that one family. OMG.
You'll never be second place. Every morning, every day. I choose.
This is scary. This is gonna be tough. Going back. Is this worth it? Looks like some people will just and then swim there. We should not stay longer here. It's getting dark. Scary. It looks like the view is the back. That's the back view. Yeah, it's muddy. Yeah, it's smaller. That's why that group of people did not check this. We're still chasing waterfalls. This is the sandstone. Yeah, looks like there's sand in the middle, honey.
Yeah.
Like sandstone. More trail. There is no deck, just steps. I don't go to that. Just at the end of the steps. We have a lot of hiking and walking today. That's the Sandstone Falls. That is really raging also, even it's more. Are you going? Just stay there? Stay here?
Huh?
Just stay here.
Stay here.
Or maybe we can, we're gonna climb up there. It's scary too. Step on that. Amazing nature, amazing earth. Makes sense why it's called Sandstone. Sandstone Falls. They are stones and like stones mixed with sand. There's raging water there.
I need to know hate won't bring us freedom. It doesn't matter where you've been, we'll see kindness win again.
Tell me if I was falling, if I was down, would you even see? I'm so tired of calling out for someone to notice me. I've been down on my knees for so long, crying please. Where were you when I was hurting? Now that I pull back the curtain,
I wanna see love make a comeback. I wanna feel love when it runs out. I wanna see everybody joining in until kindness wins again. I need to know peace is not defeated. I need to know hate won't bring us freedom. It doesn't matter where you've been, we'll see kindness win again.
It's the most colored chips ever.
Multicolored chips. Last fall, Rainbow Falls. One lady said that they're the best.
Really? Of all?
Out of all of these 5.
Save the best for last? I hope there's no more
No, she said like 200 steps.
Tall steps.
It's a quarter mile to the steps and then a quarter mile of steps. You may be exaggerating, but I don't know.
And make a rock, yes, I